Good morning. Welcome to CurrencyChange Daily Foreign Exchange Report on Tuesday, the 15th of October 2013. My name is Laurent Guilbault, Managing Director at CurrencyChange.com, local solution for your international payment where you can open an account for free with us with no obligation to exchange through us. In the US, amid the ongoing shutdown, today's Empire State Manufacturing Survey is one of the few releases which would be unaffected in terms of statistics. The headline index has fallen consecutively over the past 2 months. The Chinese, though, have started to assert pressure on the US since this morning, with Vice Finance Minister Zhu Guangyan stressing that US must take concrete steps to fend off default. The Chinese have been increasingly vociferous in their criticism of the US budget negotiations, with media report that US budget negotiation creating as much fascination in Beijing as in Washington, D.C. They are the biggest US Treasury's bondholders. A scheduled White House meeting for congressional leaders from both parties has been postponed to allow talks on raising the nation's debt limit and to reopen the government. Obama also added that he saw some progress in the talks ahead of Thursday deadline for the US to raise its $16.7 trillion borrowing limit of risk defaulting on its debt. The deal currently under discussion seems to be that they will fund the government until 15th of January while raising the debt ceiling until early to mid-February. In Europe, the German survey released this morning of economic sentiment big expectation to rise to 52.8 from 49.6, but the ZEW survey of economic sentiment of the Eurozone as a collective fell shy of expectations. In terms of the Euro area industrial production released yesterday, it rose significantly by 1 million in August, broadly in line. This increase offset the drop record that we had seen in last July. For the UK, the release of UK inflation data today, with a forecast for the CPI at 2.6% year over year in September, down 0.1% from August. We should potentially see more and more lower inflation, which justify also that short-term interest rate from central bank will remain really low until 2015. In Asia, from Australia, the RBA board minutes returned a weak easing bias and were full of discussion about the recent bounce in confidence observed in Australia. The recent rebound in the Australian dollar, the board wasn't sure though of the significance of either development, partly because it wasn't sure whether they would be sustained in the future. In terms of live exchange rate, we're currently trading at 159.40, strongly lower due to these comments from the Chinese Vice Finance Minister. Sterling Euro, same story. Euro dollar also dropped significantly. We're currently at 135. Sterling Australian dollar lower at 167.36 and sterling New Zealand dollar at 190.21. In terms of economic agenda for today, we have the ECOFIN meeting which finished yesterday. At 9:30 we have the UK CPI for September, 2.6%. UK PPI expected 1.3% year over year. 10 o'clock the Euro-ZEW survey economic sentiment expected 49.6 for October. And at 1:30 the US dollar Empire State Manufacturing Survey expected for October at 8. Keep following, please, what's going to happen today, key dates in terms of US dollar problems. If you need further information, please contact us on +44 0273 73 2686 or visit us on CurrencyChange.com. Have a nice day.